Hello, hello. Hey guys, this is Kimmy, Notary Life with Kimmy, and one of the trainers here on the Notary Educators page. Listen, I wanted to come to you really quick and share a gem that was dropped last night. I shared, and that's on the live in case you missed it. Go back and watch it. We're talking about what is this free event all about. So go back and watch it. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to drop a gem. So last night, though, I shared that Alexis, our Google queen over here on Notary Educators page and training group, she was like, why don't you have your messages on your Google page so people can reach out to you? And I was like, I don't like that. I don't want them to be able just to message me. And she was like, most people nowadays do not want to talk. They want to be able to message you. And I said, I said, okay, I'll go ahead and cut it on. So my point and gem today is your messaging app part on your Google My Business page? If the chat instant messaging part is not on, you may want to turn it on. A lot of times people are saying, my phone isn't ringing. It's not ringing. Well, maybe people don't want to talk. They want to text. So anyway, I cut mine on. I hope you do too. This is just a tip again. Alexis, our Google My Business queen, shared with me, and I thought I would share it again with you for those who missed it last night. So cut your messaging on is just one of the way for people to be able to contact you. Okay, they may be at work talking, helping a client, and they cannot speak, but they need services, and they can text you really quick. You ever be at work and you can't talk, but you can text? So I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and put that on. It's free. Why not? I might be knocking myself out of business. So anyway, that was my tip for today. Join us at the free event. All courses are 60% off. Coupon code is WIN23, WIN23, no space. And also check out the Start Your Notary Business book. If you are starting your business, just not sure what to do with the business, and it's written for every state has their own book. Okay. All things notary at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Well, have an amazing day out there, people. Just have a great day. The sun is out here in Georgia. It's hot. It's hot. I am, again, like I mentioned, in Georgia, but we train in all 50 states. All right, peeps. Have a great one. Bye.